For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Hello, and you're watching News9 Digital with me, Deepak. Well, all of these days, we have seen health authorities quarantining people with COVID-19 symptoms like cold, cough, and even fever. But what about the silent carriers of COVID-19? Well, a shocking report has come to the fore, which claims that silent transmission of novel coronavirus could account for more than half of the infections. And this was revealed by a new mathematical model by US and Canadian researchers. So the researchers utilized data on asymptomatic and also pre-symptomatic transmission from two different epidemiological studies and estimated that more than 50% of infections were attributable to people not exhibiting symptoms. So let us now ask the doctor if this report holds good for the current scenario across the world.
It is not true that asymptomatics and pre-symptomatics transmit most infections. It is the symptomatics who transmit the most, but still there are asymptomatic and pre-symptomatic individuals who transmit the infection. However, it is much lower when compared to symptomatic individuals.
Well, now to add to this particular report published by the US and Canadian researchers, a different study published in June found that in one Italian town in which the majority of residents were tested for COVID-19, while the town was under 14-day quarantine, approximately 40% of the individuals who tested positive had no symptoms. So if I have to give you an example of a particular case, let's speak about an incident in Singapore which fueled the COVID-19 cases in the country. So when people gathered at a church in Singapore on 19 January, no one could have realized that the event would have global implications for the spread of coronavirus. It was a Sunday, and as usual, one of the services was being conducted in Mandarin. So among the congregation at the Life Church and Missions, on the ground floor of the office building was a couple, and both of them were aged around 56 years, and they had arrived that morning from China. So as they took their seats, they seemed perfectly healthy, so there was no reason to think that they might be carrying the virus infection. But at that time, a persistent cough was understood to be the most distinctive feature of COVID-19, and it was seen as the most likely way to transmit it. So having no symptoms of the disease should have meant having no chance of spreading it. The couple then left as soon as the service was over, but shortly afterwards, things took a turn for the worse. And in a wholly confusing way, the wife started to become ill on 22nd January, followed by her husband 2 days later, because they had flown down from Wuhan, which is the epicenter of the outbreak, and that was no big surprise. But over the following week, 3 local people also came down with the disease for no obvious reason, leading to one of Singapore's first and most baffling COVID-19 cases. So, working out what had happened would lead to a new and disturbing insight into how the virus was so successfully finding new victims. So now let us go and ask Dr. Pradeep again about how dangerous are asymptomatic cases.
Asymptomatics also transmit the infection. In terms of risk, it is much higher with symptomatics when compared to asymptomatic individuals.
Well, the next question is, how do we detect if a person is a silent carrier or not? So let us ask Dr. Pradeep about this as well.
The only way to detect these carriers are through testing, and best with RT-PCR testing.
Well, you heard it from Dr. Pradeep, and now the question that might be lingering in your mind is, how can one stay safe from such carriers? Let us ask Dr. Pradeep about the safety precautions that one has to take.
How to stay safe is only through maintaining proper social distancing, use of sanitizers, use of mask, and not getting out of the house unless it is really essential.
Well, apart from the points that Dr. Pradeep mentioned, widespread testing, isolating infected people, and ordering a community lockdown would stop the outbreak in its tracks, like it did in Italy. Now, Italy doesn't even feature in the top 5 of the worst affected nations by COVID-19 in the Johns Hopkins University's list. So for us to stay safe, we will have to believe in the power of masks. So wear your masks wherever you go, stay away from large crowds and maintain a distance of 6 feet from people you meet on a daily basis. So in case if you have to go out and meet people, try to limit it to outdoor locations which have excellent air circulation and also filtration. Along with that, keep your hands away from your face, wash your hands with soap and water very frequently as suggested by the World Health Organization. And also the most important tip here is that if some public health official tells you that you need to take precautions, please do not ignore them. There's still time for you to keep yourself, your loved ones and the strangers around you safe and sound. So follow all the safety precautions and also stay safe from any sort of infection. So if you like this video, please drop in your comments and also like, share and subscribe to News9 on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and YouTube. Thank you for watching.